Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can remove text box border in OnlyOffice. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you will need to have this text box. How you do that? You just go here to the insert and then you will find it here, text box, and you can draw right here the text box. Now what you need to do, we will open the shape settings. So how we do that? We will click here on the borders, and now on the right side you will see some icons. So we will go over here to shape settings and click on that. Now what you need to find is this section here, line, and now go to type, go to size, and you will put here no line. And what will this happen is that these border lines will be gone. So if I now click right here, as you can see, now these border lines are gone when I click out of the box, as you can see. So it's pretty cool. You can keep everything organized with these boxes, but at the end you don't see them. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.